listen and we don't judge. Okay, I'll go first. Sometimes, instead of preparing your wet food, I'm too lazy to do that. So what I'll tell you is we don't have any wet food and I give you kibble instead. My toothbrush? Why would you lick my... How many times have you... Never mind, forget it. We listen and we don't judge. Okay, my turn. You know how you were looking for your binky the other day? Yeah, I donated that along with some other toys to Goodwill because you weren't playing with them anymore. Rajah, I thought you grew out of that. Why would you do... We listen and we don't judge. Okay, this one is really hard and I'm ashamed to admit it. You know how sometimes you want to go for a walk and I'm asleep? Well, I'm only pretending to be asleep so I don't have to take you for a walk. You do what to BB? BB, is this true?